So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a parallax effect like this, like the one shown here. You can see the clouds are moving faster and the background layers are moving a little bit slower. So in Godot 4, we have some new nodes. Uh, uh, we had previously these nodes, parallax background and parallax layer, but these are deprecated in the new Godot version. So we are gonna use the parallax 2D node, which is the new way to make the parallax backgrounds in Godot. So for the setup, let me create a new scene, let me make its root as node 2D, and let me add a parallax 2D node like this. We name it layer 1, layer layer 1, and we add a sprite to it, and we drag the texture uh, like this into the texture property of the sprite. Then we move it here. We can scale it a little bit, but it's not necessary if you have a bigger texture already, like this. Now we select the layer 1, we press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer, and we change the sprite texture to some other one like this, and then we select this one, Ctrl D, duplicate, we get layer 3, we change the texture to something like this. So for now I'm just gonna use only 3 layers just to test the parallax thing. But let me tell you what we are gonna do in the using the script. We're gonna basically change the scroll offsets of different layers. So for example, we will access layer 3, we'll change its scroll offset to some value like this, and for layer 2 our scroll offset will be a little bit lower, and so on. So another thing, we need to repeat the textures. So the texture repetition should be according to the size. So for example, the ordinate texture is 576, but since we scaled it to 2, so we can use 576 times 2 in horizontal axis. So select all of these, press Ctrl and select each one of these, go to repeat, set the repeat size to 576 times 2. So we get something like 1152, but we see there are some seams, so we should just decrease it a little bit, like only 1 pixel, 1151, and no. Yes, it's fine. I was mistaken. I thought that this seam is from the texture, so just 1152 is okay. Now we coming to our script. We can just select the root node, we can add a script, name it whatever you like, and here I'm just gonna directly copy paste the source code I wrote earlier, this one. So just replace the process function with this code. So what we are gonna do, we're gonna select the layer 1, we're gonna access the layer 1, and we're gonna select its offset to something like this. So with time the offset will increase, see the plus sign here. For layer 2 we're just gonna do this, and for layer 3 we're just gonna do this. Now let's make a quick test. Add a camera node, camera 2D, change the center to something like this, and just quickly run this script. You see that the clouds are moving with the different speed relative to the background.